You have now clicked on a video that is the only video you will ever need in trading. This right here in front of you is by far the most important aspect to trading, okay? And I promise you, if you now stick to this and have a system, okay, a process like a robot, you'll eventually be profitable without a doubt, okay? So I'll get into this first, but if you don't know who I am, I've been trading for 7 years now, a while, and for 6 years I was unprofitable. And I went through some shit, if I'm going to be honest with you, a lot of shit while trading. And it just made the process so much more harder. Yeah, and I wish I knew this before this video. I wish I came across this video. Every single bit of content, because if you are learning trading, you're probably looking at every little minute detail you can, learning as much as you can, and I promise you, just stop. You're gonna, what a waste of time that was. Okay, I wasted a lot of years, a lot of stress, a lot of aggro, a lot of heartache trying to figure this out. But now, I've got it here right for you, okay? So be prepared, listen through all of it, and if you can't stick to it and go to the end of this video, you're probably not cut out for trading, you're not patient enough, okay? Just watch this, have it in the background, keep it on, let's get straight into it, okay? So what this is right here is a feedback loop, okay? So I'll go through each system right here. So when you start on trading, okay, you need to show up each day. So this is the input that you put, okay? So each day you get in a chart and you start. So that's this step right here, okay? Next, you apply the system, okay? So that's the system right there. Now, in that system, let's go a little bit deeper with stimuli with each process of that system, okay? So it could be any little process, just think of it, then write a title down, start of the day, okay, risk management, the rules that I have for today, or this plan, this system. What do I do on each time frame? You know, what happens if this happens? List it all out. Okay, that's every little stimuli, and then make a system out of that. Okay. After that, you apply it to the chart exactly how you read it, exactly how the process. You know, if you lose 4 trades in a row, you stop for the day, for example, and then you go and apply that to the chart, and you'll have an output. You might win, you might lose. Most likely at the start, if you're new, you're going to lose loads. You know, this is a start. This is like you've made progress though. You can now change each stimuli, okay, to get a different output. You know, different amount of money. Also, of course, we all want to be profitable, and that is the main goal. How do we do this? Okay, every trade that you make, okay, even every thought you have on the chart needs to have feedback. You need to write this down and log it. Okay, you need to log the win rate, the drawdown, how many trades, the psychology that was involved, the setup that was taking, etc., etc. Okay, and until you hit these optimal KPIs with this system, okay, let's say if you take 20 trades and you've made, I don't know, 3% with 10% drawdown, you've done it. Okay, probably keep going for some more trades, 30 trades, 40 trades to see how it does. Okay, and you've done it. Okay, and then you don't change it. Alright, you can change little bits, of course, because you'll notice little bits, get more feedback, and you can see that the win rate goes up, for example, over time. But apart from that, you're profitable, you don't change it. It's just this bit right here, applying it without any emotions, the same thing every day, is where everyone fails. 99% of people fail, right here. Okay, and if they knew this and how it works, they'd be profitable. Okay, so what's this bit over here? The environment. So this is the market that you trade. Every market is a little bit different. Okay, and it's gonna, your system's going to work a little bit differently maybe on there. And I would just stick to, if you're doing like Forex, I would just stick to Euro USD. And yeah, it's a good, nice, not too volatile one, and just keep rinse and repeat. Okay, and so yeah, this right here, take a screenshot, stick to this, go through it, make a system, list all the stimuli, okay, apply it to the environment that you want, so Euro USD, if you're a beginner, I would, if you're trading the Forex market, and then see an output. And then with that, you should be logging every single trade that you have, and from there, you tweak it until you hit optimal KPIs. Let's say 5%, you make 5% in a month or so, boom, you've done it. There's nothing else to it. It's that simple. Okay, so this is gonna change your trading. Okay, take a screenshot, get this implemented, let me know in the comments if you have any problems and if you don't understand this fully, but this is how you're gonna succeed in trading. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, because I'm going to really build this channel up and give you some seriously good info that no one's going to give. Okay, it's going to save you years and years of pain. Okay, trust me, I've been through it. This is going to save you if you just follow this. So yeah, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.